Hi, Cory with Air Venturi. We're going to go over filling the Ascent. First, we're going to go over filling the Ascent with the Apex pump system. There is always air inside the cylinder, even if the gauge doesn't read it. So we'll unlock the arm and begin pumping. From this point to full, it's going to be about 200, give or take, pumps to fill the gun up all the way. We're about 2,500.
25.
All right, we'll pause a minute in the middle of pumping here.
I might actually have to use that.
With the scope off, you could do things like, just pump it against the table. All kinds of different things you could do, but obviously once the scope's on, that's out. So we'll just go back to regular pumping. One thing worth noting is the pumping hasn't gotten any harder than when we started. Switch arms for a minute here.
Oh my.
Sweat break. Oh, look at that. 3,600, finally got there. Again, totally capable of doing it. And, in fact, that's the brilliance of this, is just having everything contained in one place. But again, I recommend just kind of keeping it full, never let it go to empty. That was a little bit of work. All right, now that I've pumped this up by hand, we'll go ahead and show you a different fill method. So we'll start by degassing this. All right, letting all that hard-earned air bleed out of there. Now we're gonna go ahead and tighten up the bleed screw so we can fill it back up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and fill up the Ascent with the Nomad Nano here. And got the probe. Remove the fill port dust cover. This probe might look a little bit different than yours, but functionally they're all the same. Go ahead and insert it all the way. We are going to double check that the output pressure is set correctly. Got it at 3,600. We're going to attach it. Make sure that the bleed's closed. I'll go ahead and plug it in now. That's going to kick the fan on. Let that fan get going. But we just got to start it. All right. Hit the bleed screw, pull the probe out. I'll go ahead and unplug it. Get that thing to quiet down a little. Cover up the fill port, and we're ready to take this out into the field. And again, if you just pump it 5 to 10 times every time you shoot it, it's gonna stay full all day. Now you know the different ways to fill up the Ascent. Thanks for watching and happy shooting.